What the is that?
This may be a terrible idea.
Blow this thing only. Got him.
Well, I like it with head.
I'm having a hard time keeping these gators down.
We'll go north now, solar south, because I warm up. I'm gonna go up here to Cars and Coffee to show off the Corolla. Spent like my whole check at AutoZone this week, man. This thing is all souped up. There's actually a lot of cool cars that come up here. I make fun. The funny thing to me is the spectacle of like, the only reason anyone gets here this early is so they can leave this early. We gotta be able to show off so everyone can see me leave. I can get in here, it's 8 right now, so I can get in because I'm on a motorcycle. But the fucking lot's probably full already. Here, watch this. Think they'll be pissed at me because I did that? We'll do it in a little bit. Yeah, that's cute. Is that you, Jake? What's up, man? Get this off here. I got music jamming. I got all sorts of stuff going on.
For a second there, I thought. To make sure I look good. I trimmed this myself last night. Kind of like your level. I'm close to you. You want some stickers? There's some stickers. Have at them.
Videos are probably the reason why I started riding.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'm trying to buy an FZ07, but
Dude, they're fun. Like I've been riding for years. This is supposed to be a beginner's bike, but it just depends who you are. Like some people might not like it. I love it. Oh, you're taking a photo now? We're taking a photo. I'm gonna take a photo of us taking a photo. Look, we gotta go full selfie.
Yeah. Full selfie.
Like really full selfie. Yeah, okay, you gotta get it all. We're gonna get a selfie. What's happening? You don't know. You had no idea that was coming, did you? Oh my god, that's so cool.
nice meeting you, man.
Yeah. Oh my god.
We have makeup artists, hairstylists, all donations. Our website is on there about the information.
There you go. It's gonna blow the intake manifold. You're gonna blow the floor panel out, Jake. The only quotable Fast and the Furious is the first one. All the other ones are just gobbledygook. They got speed holes in their back window. Can you put the window up like that? I don't think so. Smart people on the internet. What the f do those do?
Yes. It's all the Ferraris with Lamborghinis.
Jake. Dude, look at it. That is just the Ghost Gangster thing here, dude. Oh, wow. Look at that. What the f is that? Exhausted it, and then it goes to this. Why? People do things that make no sense. I mean, the whole off-road tires like that. Like, yeah, no fender flares. Just the off-road tires like that. Form over functionality, boys. That thing's never seen any dirt, Jake. Ian, look at this. This is the coolest piece of shit I've ever seen. Too fast. Too furious. Too fast for y'all, man. Look, Jake, it's one of the right-hand drive versions. Well, that's the... I know, I'm kidding. I'm f***ing around. It's I'm pretty sure you could get the new, what they call it a Skyline. Call it a GTR. I'm pretty sure you can get one of those for cheaper, and it's going to be better in every way performance-wise. But it won't be as cool as this
Look how much.
Oh, got him. Remember, we got to do this? Got it.
More purple, more power. That's what we do, it means. Pretty sweet McLaren. I guess it's a
Lamborghini to like
675 LT. You forget what it is. Gotta get in there in the headlight. You get lost in between. On the f***ing rim, too.
Oh, do I come?
Yeah.
Other stuff too, you know. There's a bunch of people out there.
See those cars? 4 up here. Really? Yeah.
We go to meets to look at dogs.
It's so cute. Look, f***ing Miatas.
They got the angry eyes on it. Oh, look, another one. Holy shit.
Look at it. Wow. You're f***ing wow. Wow.
That's why I do anything sensible when you can do dumb shit.
It's the same engine in mom's car.
It really is.
Well, how do you say this car?
Citroen, I believe.
Citroen. Isn't there like a soda that sounds like that? It's got blinds in it. Oh, ready to have a seizure. Ah, come on, bounce her up over there. so great if he did it. Every car's been going by here has been doing the pop, 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 pop. Well, I'll say that both guys that I've seen bounce off rev limiter have had their mouths just wide open, so that's that kind of person. I'm gonna do the thing. Hi, I'm Jake. I got a big old weenie. I'm Ian the Trouser Snake, and I'm here to
What's up, dude?
It's got 850 horsepower. Why does it sound...
Is it like just supercharged? Okay. We're trying to figure it out because all you hear is the whistle. I guess it's just a pro charge. You're just whistling. 9:30 is like, oh, time to go. Yeah, we have errands to do today, son. I think the weeds in the backyard have been getting out of control. We gotta, I've got to go take care of that situation. That's been bothering me all week. I just can't sleep right, When you thought, I'm buy a body kit for my Viper, it's just like, maybe you shouldn't. God, that thing looks terrible. What's up, dude? What's up, man? Thanks, guys. That thing's cool as definitely a cop right there. It. If someone was like, I'm from the same town as you, I could call them out real quick by being like 267, and you would know what to say after that. If you don't know, you ain't from around here, bro. Zombie mobile. What's up, bro? Yeah, man. My God, I am New Mexico. This may be a terrible idea. Okay, tunnel riding with my FZ. This tunnel is not f***ing short. This water starts getting like deep. We might have to turn around. It's been raining so much. This is the worst idea. Oh my God, this is a lot of water. This is why my rims don't stay clean. It got deep for a minute. I keep feeling like I'm seeing daylight, but I don't think it is. I think it's just my light reflecting off the shit. See? Look how deep the water looks right here. Alright, let's see what we can figure out. Because I can stop, put my foot down right here. Is it slick or is it easy? Yeah. Oh, yeah! Would you like to go to Dillard's? Hello, sir. Are you working on the Dillard's? Let's go to the boot barn. Yeah, the boot barn totally doesn't have cowboy boots. They have those kind of boots.
Why are we here?
Western and workwear. Workwear? They've got workwear boots. Motherfucker thought I was kidding. I said, let's go to the boot barn. I don't fucking play when it comes to the boot barn. Dude, the smell. The smell is intense in here.
That's the smell of a quality product. If I do say so myself.
I guarantee you we can find one with a rebel flag on it. Is this a butt plug?
I think so. There's an integrated O-ring.
What are you looking at, dude? No, you need these kind. I'm having a hard time keeping these gators down. It's a bright one. Is that alligator skin? What's this one?
This one's been rhino lined.
Oh, I feel so good taking the liner out because I had the sweats. My wife the other day. I was joking. I was like, yeah, Jakey's all sweaty, my dog, and she's like, ew, that's gross. And I was like, I'm kidding, right? She's like, are you? I'm like, like we're the only things that sweat, right? That's a very good point. Ian's sitting there saying that if dogs could sweat the way we do, we would not have them because that's disgusting. How we'd have to bathe them constantly. I've also made the point too that if dogs had man dicks, we would not love them as much. No, I've never been here.
You can bring your dog.
Oh, I can bring my dog?
Yeah, but you don't.
What if he has a big man? He ordered, how do you even say it? So,
it's a mimosa.
Mimosa. Is this a ladies' drink or what? He says it's a brunch drink.
It's a brunch drink.
This is
any other type of brunch. It's unacceptable.
This is a
catering brunch.
Okay, how do you do it? Then do you dump this into here? What if it's carbonated?
It is.
Oh, holy shit. Well, it doesn't even all fit.
Jake, it's gonna go over.
Oh, I like it with head, So we're here at, what's this place called?
Lazy Dog.
Well, we're here at Lazy Dog. It's a fine. It's been aged for 12 seconds.
But that's good. Pretty
Good, isn't it?
I don't want to like this. Dude, I kind of want to try expensive champagne now, but I don't because
No, I buy like $8 champagne at Kroger.
Good. Okay, good to know.
They're just as good.
All right. Ian, take a big commercially bite of your bite. Wow. Wow.
Look at this. This sure looks like a good burger from Lazy Dog Restaurant and Brew House.
All right, later. Y'all better come to the SPK ride. I made a video about it, my last video, but you probably didn't see it because right after I made it live to become manually approved for not advertisements, and it absolutely kills the views on videos like that. It will not show up in your suggested feed or anything. So yeah, maybe go check that video out because YouTube really me on that one. And have a nice day.